Welcome to the practical session on day 1. Today we will discuss about the basics of the Matlab and we will see about the Matlab window and about some built-in functions and creating a variable. After our operations, how to hide the outputs and what are the clearing commands will be present. These topics we will discuss on day 1. I have installed the Matlab in my PC. So while teaching, I am running on the offline Matlab tool. This is the Matlab window. Here if you observe, this is the tabs. This is home tab, similarly plots and apps. When you open the editor, then there will be some more tabs will be present. That one we will see when we are opening the editor window. And this is my address field. This is the address field. Our present working directory we can observe it here. And this is quick access toolbar. Here if you observe, I have created some shortcuts. You can open and see that shortcuts also. Just right click on that one and then edit favorite command. Here this is the code I have provided in my shortcut. For that shortcut I have created an icon with uppercase W. Similarly you can change, you can create multiple shortcuts. Okay, if you want to create some clearing commands like CLC, clear all, you can provide all those also. So whatever the commands you want to make it as like a shortcut, you can provide those commands in this code editor. After that click on save. So now you can see I am just typing some value. Here I have just typed 45 and then click on enter. Then this variable value has been saved with a variable name ANS and that value is saved in workspace. Now what I am doing is I am just clicking on this shortcut W. In that the commands present are CLC are there, clear all is there, close all, and to move to particular working directory. Let me click on this. You can observe here the command window has been cleared because of the CLC command and because of the clear all command. This workspace has been cleared and the close all will close the figure windows. At present there are no figure windows. After that it is changing the directory to this D workspace Matlab internship on DSP practice. So now I am going to change my present working directory. So this is quick access toolbar and here if you observe, here there is a current folder window also present. This current folder window consists of all the files present in that particular working directory. Suppose if it is consists of multiple files, if you click on any particular file, then that file details will be present in this details pane. After that workspace window. In this workspace window, all our workspace variables with their data will be present in the workspace window. This is our command window. Whatever the commands you want to provide, you can provide all those commands in the command window. Now this is entirely about Matlab window. Suppose if I want to open one script, I am going to new. You can directly click on the new script or go to the new, click on script. If you want to create a new function, go to new, click on function. For live script, click on live script. For live function, click on live function. Similarly, for creating a class, system object and project, to create a figure, app, state flow, simulation model, all are present in the new. Okay. In this sessions, we are going to discuss about script, live script and functions. Click on the script. So here, if you observe, this editor window also opened. You can observe in the tabs also, along with the editor, there will be two more tabs also open. Those are publish and view. Okay. Then in this editor window, you can enter what are the commands you want to provide for that particular script. Now here I am going to discuss about the same example which we have seen in the online Matlab to see whether the Matlab is functioning properly or not. I am providing the clearing commands. The clearing commands are CLC, which will clear the command window, and then clear all, which will clear all the variables present in the workspace, and then I am providing close all. It will clear all the figures. Then I am creating two temporary variables. Temp1, I am assigning the value of 45, creating another temporary variable temp2, assigning the value of 54. Now I am creating a variable with the name sum, which will do the operation of addition of both variables, temp1 plus temp2. In case for any variable, if you want to see the output of that variable in the command window, then don't provide the semicolon at the end of that command. If you want to hide that output or don't want to show that output on the command window, then just put the semicolon. So now let me save that. You can go to save and you can save, or simply Ctrl S. In this workspace, I am creating a new folder with the name week 1. In this week 1, I am saving all the programs related to week 1. The script name I am providing as basic testing. Now how to run this script? To run the script, now you try to move on to the folder week 1. Then to run the script, just enter the script name in the command window. You can observe the variables. What are the variables I have created in my script? Those variables with their values has been present in the workspace. Suppose if you want to run using the run option in the editor window, okay, just click on the run. You can observe these are the variables present in the workspace and the script has been executed. To check whether it has been executed or not, what I am doing is I am just removing the semicolon for the sum. Then what it will happen? The sum output will be displayed on the command window. Let me run it. You can observe the sum output in the command window. Similarly, for what are the variables you want to show their values on the command window, just remove the semicolon. Suppose now I am removing semicolon for temp1. Now I am running the script. You can observe the temp1 value also shown on the command window and the sum value also shown on the command window. So this is about editor window. In editor window, you can edit the scripts, live script or functions. All the editing operations you can do on the editor window. Now let me provide CLC and I am clearing the values present in the workspace also. Suppose for any operation output, if we did not provide it to any variable, then Matlab by default it will create a variable with the name ANS. And then it will store that result of that operation in that variable ANS. Suppose what I am doing now is 45 plus 54. Now if you enter, you can observe Matlab has created this variable ANS and this operation output has been saved in this variable ANS, and you can observe that variable in the workspace also. Now I am just entering 5 and then I am clicking on enter. Then the ANS value will be changed as 5. See here you can observe the in the workspace the value of variable ANS is 5. Now we will see how to save the workspace data. Now I am running the script basic testing. Now the workspace consists of the variables present in the basic testing script. Now we will see how to save the workspace variables. The variables present in the workspace are sum, temp1 and temp2. Using the command, the syntax is save space the file name. With that file name, the variables present in the workspace will save in that file. So now I am providing save space file name basic results. Just click on enter. Then you can observe in your current folder one .mat file has been created with the name what we have provided as a file name. You can observe as basic results.mat. So when you click on this basic results.mat, you can observe what are the variables present in that .mat file will be displayed in the details window. In the details window you can observe that some variable is there, temp1 is there, temp2 is there. Now I am clearing the variables from workspace, clear space all. Suppose if you want to clear any particular variable, then clear space variable name. Suppose I want to clear temp1, clear space temp1. You can observe in the workspace we have cleared only the variable temp1. Similarly, you can create multiple variables also. Sum space temp2. In that way you can clear, or if you want to clear all the variables present in the workspace, then just clear space all. Now we will see how to load our saved workspace variables into my present workspace. Now we will see how to load our previously saved workspace variables into my present workspace. The syntax is load space file name. Which .mat file you want to load, you have to provide that .mat file name. basic results. Now you can observe the variables present in the workspace. Suppose if you want to see what are the previous commands I have provided in the command window, just click the up arrow. Here you can observe all the previous commands. These all are the previous commands which I have earlier used. You can select any particular command and then click on enter, then that command will get executed. Suppose I am running multiple scripts and I want to provide what are the commands I have entered to run those multiple scripts. I want to say